Those who exercise in the gym should take care of these things. Those who go to the gym and do high-intensity exercises should take care of some things. This can save the body from many problems and serious injuries. What things should we keep in mind while going to the gym? If you want to avoid any kind of mishap in the gym, then you should take special care of some small things. One mistake of yours can lead to serious injuries. The right gym wear should be: if you want to go to the gym, take care of the fitting of your clothes. If you do not wear the right fitting gym wear, you may feel awkward in your clothes while working out. You may feel uncomfortable. Stretching is essential. You should do stretching before doing heavy workouts in the gym. This prepares the body's muscles for high-intensity exercises. You should warm up before doing any workout. Dehydration problem. Keep a water bottle with you when going to the gym. If you feel thirsty, you can drink small sips of water. Keep in mind that you should not drink too much water. But whenever you feel thirsty, drink a little water. This will prevent the problem of dehydration. Foods to eat before and after a workout. If you do heavy workouts, then start exercising only after eating something light and healthy. In such a situation, you can eat eggs or bananas half an hour before going to the gym. Also, eat something healthy 30 minutes after the workout. It is important to get enough sleep. You should get a good sleep of 7 to 8 hours at night. This can save the body from many serious problems. This way, you will not go to the gym feeling lazy. Apart from this, keep a little gap between getting up and going to the gym. Keep these things in mind while going to the gym.